Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain Huawei P Smart Z Hard Reset or Pattern Solution. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds until the device power off. Simultaneously, press and hold the volume up and power keys for a couple of seconds. Once you see the recovery mode screen, you can release the volume up and power keys. Use the volume buttons to highlight the option Wipe Data or Factory Reset in the menu. Press the power key to accept and confirm the selection of Wipe Data or Factory Reset. Once more, select Wipe Data or Factory Reset from the menu and press the power button to confirm. Choose Reboot System Now from the menu and press the power rocker to restart your device. The hard reset operation will take a couple of seconds to finish. After the reset is complete, you will receive a notification or see the confirmation on the screen. Your phone will now be completely reset to its original factory settings. Follow the on screen instructions to set up your device as you did when you first purchased it.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.